Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a college savings plan with 529 step-by-step clearly. Begin by understanding what a 529 plan is. A 529 plan is a tax-advantaged investment account designed for education savings. Research your state's specific 529 plan options. Visit your state's 529 plan website for detailed information. Compare different plans to find the best fit for your family. Consider factors like investment options, fees, and state tax benefits. Decide on the amount you want to contribute regularly. Set a budget that works for your financial situation. Open a 529 account by filling out the necessary forms on the chosen website. Provide your personal information, including social security numbers for you and your beneficiary. Choose the investment options that align with your risk tolerance and timeline. Many plans offer age-based options that automatically adjust as your child gets older. Set up automatic contributions to ensure you stay on track. This can be done through your bank account for regular deposits. Monitor your account's performance periodically. Stay informed about any changes in tax laws or plan features. Encourage family members to contribute if they wish. You can create a gifting link to make it easy for them. Consider using windfalls like tax refunds or bonuses as additional contributions. Review your plan every few years to adjust for changes in your financial situation or educational goals. Stay committed to your savings plan as college expenses can add up quickly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.